Good morning, everyone. I am very proud to present to you my first book on poetry. It is A Symphony of Life. This is really a proud moment for me to present you this particular book. And I I am very thrilled that ultimately I become a poet. I was never a student of literature, and I was struggling with literature during my school days. My teachers frequently advised me to give more importance to literature, even providing me with special care by giving me excellent book on literature. But even with all those efforts, I could not score a good marks in literature, and ultimately I joined engineering. During the period of my service in a CPSUs, I was posted in northeastern region, remote locations, which are very beautiful naturally, and feelings of a poet are always coming to my head. To writing something was my always a dream, but during the childhood period, except writing 2-3 lines in my notebooks, I could not do any formal writings. So after retirement, I thought that I will be trying my luck in my literary talents, and I wrote an easier subject for me, that is my experience in the various projects, a sanguine tale unfolding the life of a project engineer. It was widely acclaimed and it got the Golden Book Award of 24 and also the Emerging Authors Award in non-fiction category in KLC 24. With the success of my first book, I tried my second, which is also a non-fiction, that is A New Dawn Adventure in Golden Years, and which was an instant hit and getting the Amazon bestseller #1. With these two continuous successes, I wrote my third book, a short story collection named Whisper of Diver's Tale. And during the period, I do not have the courage to start poetry, as I found poetry is the most difficult part for me in literature. But during that time, the Bookleaf publishers, they have come with a program, writing contest. So you have to do one poem a day for 21 days continuously. So I tried. I thought this is the very good opportunity for me to try for joining this particular competition, and I started writing my first poem. And believe me, it took 14 hours for completing this particular poem, because every time I write and next moment I will delete this because it is not coming to my liking. And similarly, after a lot of trial and error, I completed my first poem, and the later 21 days, 20 days was a enjoyment actually, but I have the confidence has come to my mind that I can do it, and I completed the 21 poems in 21 days, and this give me the 19th century Emily Dickinson's 21st century Emily Dickinson's prize from Bookleaf publishers. So that moment, I cannot describe you how I enjoyed that particular time. A person who very weak in literature, and ultimately after 36 years of service, he come with a book on poetry. This is something very special for me, and this is from my heart. Then I got a message from Bookleaf to whether I am prepared to write another few poems so that a book can be published, a solo book can be published. And accordingly, I started writing. Maybe it took around 2 months to complete another nearly 50 poems. It may be around 57 poems, and around 7 poems are rejected by the publishers, and balance 71 poems has come in this particular book, A Symphony of Life, my proudest moment to take this book in my hand and talking to you. During this period, I was also awarded the International Tagore Award in the Specialist Genre of Literature by DRDC. So this particular book, Symphony of Life, published by Bookleaf publishers, this covers almost all the facets of life. I am just giving you the brief of the table of contents. Here we have around 6 poems on love and relationship, then another 6 poems on nostalgic moments of life. Then I come back to the digital world, technology's impact, and the life simplicity and complexity, and where the balance that comes. Then I come to traditions and changes, and after that I come back to give my respect to my mother, to my teachers, to the soldiers, to the heroic efforts of soldiers, not only the armed forces, but also the soldiers who is making roads, who is those people who are making very difficult infrastructures in difficult locations. I consider all of them as soldiers, contribution of the scientists, and various facets of life, including various moments in my life where I enjoyed or where I faced certain problems. I covered those subjects, and another chapter I covered the beauties of Himalayas, because I was in Arunachal Pradesh and enjoyed the beauty of hills, and also in Nagaland and other hilly places. beautiful place like Umrangsu, where that beauty of Panimur waterfalls. Then my house was in between Kaziranga National Park and Nambar Reserve Forest. So the beauty of nature, I have grown up in between the beauties of the nature, and during my service life also, I was placed in such places where beauty is abundant, and describing those things, actually words are coming naturally. So I thank Bookleaf publishers for giving me that opportunity, because unless they give me the opportunity, I never tried of my own to write a poetry, because for me, I was never thinking that I will write something in my life. During my career in various places, yes, I have written 2-3 lines, maybe in my notebook, when I am free and something comes to my mind. But I never complete a complete poem in my life before this particular book. After this, I started writing poems, and it was published in various anthologies. And this 21st Emily Dickinson prize is also a very big encouragement for me, and I am very grateful to the Blue Leaf publishers, because their publishing consultant always was behind me after completing the 21 poems to continue more. And every day Shivani, she was ringing me up asking me about my progress, and I enjoyed started writing, and that 2 months practically I did not do any other works except thinking and writing few lines. And one thing I learned in doing this book is that your thought process should come once, because you should not this is my idea, that in one go you should write the poem, because if you are started writing few lines, going out and coming back, by this time your thought process has changed. So let's complete the poem at one go. If it requires 5 hours or 6 hours or 7 hours, you be there writing that poem completely, and next 2 days you do not touch it, and after 2 days you can modify, edit, or whatever things you like, you continue with that, or edit those portions which you do not like. So this is one of my learning, and now again I am trying writing poems, and few anthologies has been published with my poems, and one of the book anthologies that come out is 120 poems by 10 best poets of India. So that was another inspiration for me, that I can also do. And I think when you are in a environment of beauties of the nature at any time of your life, the lines will be coming automatically. And I emphasize on 3 special people, especially the mother, the teacher, and the soldiers and the scientists who have done us proud and give you inspiration to continue. And I tried my literary journey after 60 years of my life, that is when I superannuated. Before that, I did not have any published work. Maybe some articles in some magazines, that is a different issue. But as a literature, I did not do anything before my